it's vlog time. So today's a bit of a crazy day. Actually, this is a crazy weekend as always. Lots of events happening. I will take you guys to some of them. But right now, I'm going to be a tourist. My friend Neville is in Bombay after 9 long years. We've been friends for the past 20 years. We used to be models together. And he wants to buy some gifts from Koraba Causeway. So I thought I'd take you guys along. Look at the tourist. This is where we're going. Kitchen garden. Thank you. Yeah, here. Thank you. This tiny one. Oh, these. The dhoop, you can put dhoop or tea lights in it.
Oh, this is like that.
Dhoop would, yeah, Samrani cup, yeah. So we are back at the Sassoon Art Festival for the 20th time, and it is super crowded today. Look at the line. Back after the whole day, literally walked to the Sassoon dock to the Urban Art Festival for the 100th time. Had a great time actually, and there's lots of new stuff happening, and like new murals and stuff like that. And now it's time for somebody's bath. Don't tell him. Mama stretch for you. Yes. Mama head you. Mama head you. Yes, you're good baby. Mama stretch boy. Shampoo dalo. Who's a good boy? Good boy. Mars is a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Mars is a clean boy. Clean boy. Clean boy. Good babu. Good boy you. Good bachu. No. Not right now. Not right now. Okay. Okay. Mama do his hands. Okay, hands. Like you like? Mama do only hands. Only hands. Only hands. Oh. Okay folks, I have given Mars a bath, I have showered, and now I'm just quickly getting ready for my cousin's birthday dinner. I don't really know if I'm going to be vlogging any of this because I don't know if he's okay with it or not. We're not like all 20-year-olds anymore, but just applying some Benetint, and yeah, I'm really happy. This weekend has been full of meeting a lot of like friends and family. As I said, got my cousin's birthday dinner tonight, got another friend's 40th tomorrow, and in the night we have a event with my sister. All in all, pretty busy and social, which was one of my goals for 2023, so making it happen. So I just put on some Benetint, and I'm just putting on some lipstick. This is the Juicy Chemistry one that I showed you guys. Do you guys remember this? This is AZALEA. I'm gonna look in the mirror, sorry. So this is usually like my makeup for a dinner, it's usually like Benetint, a nice fun lipstick like this, and then I usually put my balm over to create my own custom color. I think I'm done. Just gonna brush my hair out. I don't really have time to dry it, sadly, but we're just gonna brush the hair out and go. Wear some shoes and leave. This is it. Happy birthday, Django! Thanks for skipping me.
Okay, it's not his birthday. This is a party.
Good morning, it's Sunday and we're all a little lazy. Cookie Lou, good morning. Came back at 2 a.m. yesterday, so yeah, spent a lot of time with my friends. We finished chai, coffee, walked Mars, and now we're getting ready for another friend's birthday bash. So this is another friend's 40th birthday brunch. And I don't think I'm going to be vlogging it, but I will show you guys what I'm wearing and getting ready and all that. What should I wear? Okay, my cupboard is looking very organized, by the way. Not a mess anymore right now. Everything is organized. I have a lot of dresses, as you can see, and I'm thinking of wearing a dress. Okay, folks, so we are in the other room with lots of kachra everywhere and a new different camera. So if this sounds weird, just ignore it. It's not so dark, actually. I don't know why the back is really dark, but I feel like this is clearer for you guys to see me, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Just putting on some sunscreen. I'm gonna do some very basic makeup because we are quite late. Okay, so this is my sunscreen that I mentioned in my skincare favorites, my recent skincare favorites video. Check it here if you haven't. It is a great video. So quickly gonna just do some mascara, some brow stuff, and some lipstick, because my lip tint and stuff is in the other room, and this room has to do, there's a solid declutter with Cherry coming up. Okay, so since my Benetint and everything is there, I'm trying something different. I'm using the shade Shock and Awe by Estee Lauder. It's this bright pink. It's a really nice poppy pink. And my dress is by a homegrown label called Headstrong. You guys have seen me wear this a zillion times, but I will try and put all the links in the description for anyone that's interested. I look like a really old auntie when I put my lipstick like that. And now over this, I'm going to use the nudie Etude House Tint. So this is in the shade, which one is this? It's the really light one, Ginger Milk Tea. We're just going to add a little bit of blush just to get some color. And that's it. Thankfully my hair is being living today, and I slept on it like this, so it looks like I've blow dried it like this. Can you see? Right there. You're a good kid too. You're the best kitty.
Ready? Ready?
Okay, so lunch has turned into dinner pretty much. We finished with the brunch at 4:30, and then we left to come back here and just went salmon for a bit. Now just putting on some lipstick to head to Chinese New Year dinner that my sister is hosting. Okay, Bandra traffic is terrible right now on a Sunday evening, and we've been stuck for a while. finally made it, and I'm all blue, guys. Look at this. Who's this cute bunny? Who's this cute bunny? Yes, Mama's home. Mama's home. Did you miss Mama? Did you miss Mama? So yeah, I'm back home. It is really late. It's been a crazy weekend. And before anyone asks, no, I'm not crying. I just took off my eye makeup, and when I do that, my eyes look like watery and like weird. Because every time I do a vlog, and people then comment and they're like, "Are you crying?" And I'm like, no. So yeah, just took off my makeup, had my bath. Now I'm in bed. It's been such a crazy fun weekend. Like, I don't think I've been out this much, like at parties and meeting friends and stuff like that. Um, like since COVID. Like, I think I've had a weekend like this only pre-COVID. So it was nice to meet like different sets of friends, family, all that, and like just have a weekend like this, it's been a while. So yeah, I'm tired. I've had a crazy fun weekend, but I am ready for Monday tomorrow. Can't wait to get back to work. I mean, this is not my life. Like, I feel like, a lot of people love this. Like, I enjoy this once in a while, but I can do like one party, one thing at a time. I'm not this crazy party hopping person that's be like I can go to like 10 things every day. Nah. So guys, that's it from me. This is where the vlog ends. And yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a bigger thumbs up, because there's nothing not to like. And yeah, comment below with your favorite part from the vlog, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.